Hello, second grade parent volunteers for digital citizenship. I am very happy that you are here. By now, you've seen that first video, and hopefully, you've had a chance to log into commonsense.org. You've got your membership, and so I also added a link to the website that will go, hopefully, right to your second grade curriculum. And it looks like this. So we see our second grade curriculum, and in second grade, we have a whole bunch of lessons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but we need to really get them done in 5 days. So I'm going to show you how we are going to make that magic work. But just to get a good understanding of how this works, for each lesson, you can scroll down. I'm going to choose this one, and you'll see why in a minute. You're going to look at this lesson, Device-Free Moments. It is going to give you everything. Here's our goals for the lesson, and then it even breaks it down about how long each section of the lesson will take. A great idea is to print out a copy of this lesson plan for yourself. It's easy to remember things that way and to kind of just check in with it and check and see if you're on track. I can load up all these things for you. So the lesson slides, any videos, I will use my computer. I will load it up there as you're coming in, and then we will project it on my interactive panel. So the students will be able to see everything that's in those slides and all the videos and hear the music that they need to for these lessons. To see what to do in each section, you just click on the section and it will open up for you. It'll even tell you specifically what to ask on certain slides. So this is all very nicely broken down for you. We've got a 40-minute time period, so try to move it along so that we can get done in time to line up, but we'll be just fine. You will have some handouts. I put directions on the website how to make class sets of copies for those handouts. And there's a copy code, so you just go and let the office know that you need to make some copies. As long as you've got your original there, that will work best. Because if you've got one copy, you can come in and run all the copies here, and the code is on the website, so you can just let the office know that's what you need to do. So any of these handouts, and if I do think it's kind of nice to send home, if you can make them back to back, the family tips and family activity, or at least one of these to send home with the students is nice so that they can have a follow-up discussion about what we learned in class together. So each of these sections is broken down. You're going to read all that because you are the amazing volunteer who volunteered to do that. However, I am going to tell you we have a little bit of a different schedule, and I marked that out on this website here. So on our website, it says second grade lesson schedule. We are going to combine, on day 1, you're going to combine these 2 lessons, We the Digital Citizens and Digital Trails. Every other lesson, day 2, 3, 4, and 5, is the full lesson. And then I'll do that last lesson later in the future. So you just really, the only weird thing that second grade has to do is combine these 2 lessons in the first day. I'll show you how that's done. If we go back to this site here where the lessons are, and we look at let's go back to all the lessons where we would see them together for second grade. Notice that We the Digital Citizens has a 15, and so does Digital Trails. That means that they've provided a way to condense the lesson to just 15 minutes. To find that, open that lesson with the 15, come on down to where it says don't have time for a full lesson, and then you can click the link and open the quick activity. You're going to want to do that for both of those lessons, We the Digital Citizens and Digital Trails. And then this also has some slides, and it's got an adorable coloring book that you can print out, and you can see I am almost out of time here for my recording, but we can project this video, and then if you look way down here, there is a Digital Citizens coloring book that you can open for the students. We can easily get this done in 15 minutes and do the next lesson for 15 minutes, and then we'll be able to finish up 2 lessons in one class. Thank you.